guys, what's up? So I am editing the video and I realized that in most of the clips, because it was just a hectic last 2 days, I didn't explain to you guys what I was doing when I was recording. So when I pop up like this, it's because I need to explain what's going on. So in the clip that you're about to see right now, I'm getting the boys ready. I'm changing Eli's diaper and taking Noah to the bathroom, and I'm putting them in their room so they can watch their little morning educational show while I get things ready for Elijah's birthday and start his decorations. So let's get into it.
No, that's not yellow. That's orange. Isn't this the cutest thing? They're learning their colors, what makes a rainbow right now. They love this.
Okay, so in the next clip, I'm showing you guys how I made his party hats, his backdrop, and his cupcake tower. But I didn't do his cupcake tower how I showed right here. But I'm just going to put it in there anyways because why not?
For the party hats, what I did was I took a piece of tape and I just took a Uno card and folded the tape up so it's like double sides. And I just, you know, just stuck it on the party hats. So obviously this one is Elijah's. And then the rest is me, Mike's, and Noah's. And how I'm making his backdrop is I brought some ribbon off of Amazon. It's 25 yards, but I don't know if it's enough because I only have 5 pieces left. So what I do is I put tape. Let me move these out the way. I put tape on the ribbon so I can hold it up. And then I get one Uno card and I alternate sides. Oh, it's not ready yet. Basically what I do is I alternate sides. I put one Uno. I always start off with the Uno, and then I flip over a card, and then Uno, and I flip over a card. Uno, and I keep on doing that until I fill up the whole entire ribbon. And once my hot glue gun gets warm enough, I'll show you guys, you know, me gluing them together. This is the end of it. And then I go up and I just stick it on the backdrop. Okay, so as you can see, I still have this side to do, but I ran out of a ribbon. And I also have, I don't know if it needs helium or not, but I have this. It says happy birthday, and it's gonna go on top of this. So I think I need to move it down a little bit. And then I'm going to work on the cupcake tower. Or should I do the frame, the picture frame first? I don't know. Oh, but I also made these too. I'm gonna put one of them on the picture frame, and then the other one on somewhere. It'll just be a little prop. But it's a little number one. I did the wild one, and then I just did the regular Uno. Basically, I just lined up the Uno cards like this, and then hot glued gunned them together. And that's basically how I made the number one, and I just hot glued them together, and it turned out like this and like this. Okay, so right now I am doing his cupcake tower. I think I'm gonna start off with blue first, and this is just like a poster board. So I'm gonna start off with blue, and I'm using cups to support it. So basically this is what it would look like. This is basically how the cupcake tower is gonna look like, but it's going to be smaller because, you know, as each level goes up, it gets, the paper gets smaller. And then I'm gonna put Uno cards around it. And this should be interesting because I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so now I am just going to be putting Uno cards all around the cupcake tower like this. Like I said, I am just doing this as I go. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but hopefully it turns out good. So the first thing I did was I have glue gunned the ones, but they're not really, it's not really going how I want it to go. So I'm just going to take the Uno cards like this, take tape and double-side it, and just stick them like this.
Meanwhile,
we just came back from the PX/commissary, and I spent time with the boys, and now I am going to fix the backdrop. I'm gonna bring it down some more, and the balloons that I got, I thought it said happy birthday, but it says wild one. And I took apart the what's this thing called, the cupcake tower, because I just didn't like how it looked. I have to finish it, do something with it. I'm not sure what, but I'll figure it out. But I'm going to lower the backdrop and then put the balloons up. So. Here, I'll blow up a balloon. Right, get down. Now we're done making the backdrop. We're making the picture frame now, so Michael is cutting it with a box cutter so I can be done because I am freaking over it.
The next day.
So good morning, you guys. It is Elijah's birthday. He is finally 1 year old. Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday! I'm going to see the setup that I did last night for the first time. Whoa, why you stop walking, man? You don't care? You just want to go to daddy? Daddy has to go back to work. Say bye. Tell daddy bye.
Bye. Bye.
Look, come here, Why? Come here. Come here, Waisha. Come here, Why. Look, Why. Oh, it's for your birthday. Is it so cool? Some things came undone, I see. I can fix that with the cupcake tower. And then the blind, well, the curtains are gonna go. Whoa! How do you like it, Bubba? Balloons! Wow, Noah. What color is that? Is that blue? Noah! Why would you do that? That's not funny. Wow! Balloon? Yeah, balloon. Wow! 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 No, sir. Why are you trying to put balloons? Let them live life. Balloon. Come here. Hi. Uh-oh. Balloons. Yeah. Oh, is this orange? Orange. Say balloon. 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 Oh, well, stop trying to make yourself do that now. Hey, Elijah. Stop that. Dang on it. Stop making yourself do that. Stop. So I'm going to start baking the cupcakes and Elijah's smash cake. And you guys know from the previous vlogs that the only thing that he'll sit down with is Paw Patrol. See, look at him. Getting all happy. Wait. Let me put on Paw Patrol, okay? Okay. See, look. Please what, handsome? Okay, 1 second, okay? Watch this, you guys. Don't you show, Papa?
Meanwhile.
Okay, so I'm recording right now, Mom. So I don't have oil, and it says you can use 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, which I feed Elijah. So I'm gonna give this a try. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but we're gonna see how this goes because I'm not going to the store right now.
It might work.
It might. They can hear you. You want to say happy birthday? I'm not gonna show them you. Just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
I'm gonna take the mixture. Bless you. 3 eggs. 1 cup of water. And 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. And when I make cupcakes or anything like that, I like to add a little bit of milk. Okay, you guys, so this is the final setup. Noah is ready. Come here, Tony. Come here. Come here. Say happy. Say happy birthday. Good job. Yeah, you see the cupcakes? Yeah, cupcakes. Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here, though. Come here. Come here. Yes, cupcakes. Yep, come here. Yes. Ooh. You see your shirt? Your shirt says Bubba on the back. Woohoo! Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday